Hi, good evening. Um, I'm Miss Catherine Malyari and I am from Manila, Philippines. And I hope my client becomes successful by offering my services such as email management, admin support, calendar management, appointment setting, customer care, service, data entry, and research. Actually, when I came across with this job posting a while ago, I became really interested in applying because I really believe that I'm perfectly matched for that role and my skills perfectly aligns with the job description that I'm actually very proficient with Google Workspace and Skyslow, Monday.com, AppFolio, Buildium, and Asana, CRM, ChatGPT, Notion, and KV Core. As a transaction coordinator, means every deal must be on track, compliant, and stress-free for all parties involved, like coordinating all documents and deadlines, anticipating and resolving early to avoid delays, ensuring clear communications between buyers, sellers, escrow, lenders, and internal teams. And of course, the ultimate closing deals must be smoothly and on time because in real estate investing, time is money and every deal matters. I am very confident that I will be successful in this role and I hope that you will consider my application. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye.